Hello everyone, this is GrowTheory, our submission for the AWS Global Hackathon. Why GrowTheory? The investment research requires dozens of hours per company. The data is fragmented across dozens of sources online. Earning calls, financial statements, news articles, all of these hidden behind financial jargon, and that can create a barrier to entry for a lot of people. And even AI chatbot cannot give you a complete picture because they lack current market data. So what is GrowTheory? GrowTheory is an AI-powered financial intelligence platform that delivers instant, comprehensive company analysis. And all of this is done under 30 seconds. You get an overall assessment score that varies from 0 to 10. You also get key financial metrics in plain language. The market sentiment analysis is synthesized from multiple sources. It also gives you a hiring signal and company cultural insights, and it also gives you a clear investment recommendation. The growth theory user base will be everyone, whether you are starting out as a student learning about investing, or a job seeker trying to understand whether you will be a good fit for a company, whether you are a retail investor making a portfolio decision, or a financial analyst conducting your due diligence. Growth theory can help you. How growth theory works is that you type a company name, and in under 30 seconds, you get a complete analysis. No complex prompting or document uploading required. You get a real-time data from live market sources. The growth theory takes into consideration both quantitative and qualitative analysis. We also consider macroeconomic trends such as unemployment rates or sector trends, and we also take into consideration the microeconomic trends. And the data is cached to deliver faster performance next time when you search it.
So let's go over the flow of the application architecturally. The first thing that's going to happen is that a user is going to search for a company, and then this search will hit our analyze endpoint on API Gateway. And if this company's report is over a day old, or it just isn't in our database, then there's going to be no cache hit. And so our Lambda will actually invoke the Strands agent directly. And so once we invoke the Strands agent, it has two tools to act autonomously. And the first one is going to be the financial analyzer. And the way that this works is that it pulls hard company metrics from Yahoo Finance, such as stock price and revenue, and then it pairs it with economic context from Fred, such as unemployment rate and average wages. And then we combine this into a single financial health score. And then our news analyzer tool is used in sort of a dual approach where we use AlphaVantage's API, which is going to give us quantitative sentiments such as numerical score for the market mood, and then we use News API to give us qualitative signals by scanning headlines for keywords like hiring or crisis for these companies to detect operational changes. And then the Strand agent is going to choose how to use this information, and more importantly, how to interpret it, built on one of Claude's inference models. And then that information is going to be synthesized, and analysis is going to be generated, and then it's going to provide an overall score to quickly understand the health of this company. And then all this information is going to be returned to Lambda, and it's going to return all the way through API Gateway to the front end, where a user will be able to see the report for this company.
The key impact of growth theory is that it condenses tens of hours of research into under 30 seconds. It helps you get a faster portfolio decision with the comprehensive data. You can also get a quick competitor analysis and sector comparisons. You can do a risk assessment before doing any major investments. You can do a real-time market sentiment tracking. You can see if there's a hiring trend, if there's a firing trend. The financial health assessment you can do just before accepting any offers.